Meaning of disparity.
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 Disparity. The term disparity refers to a significant difference or gap between two or more things. Disparities can exist in many forms, such as income, education, healthcare, and access to basic resources. These disparities are often shaped by social, economic, and political factors, and can result in inequality and injustice. Addressing these disparities requires a comprehensive approach that takes into account systemic issues and promotes equitable solutions. Failure to do so can perpetuate existing disparities and exacerbate social and economic inequalities.